big story is the transition to the refrigerants that had a dramatic effect on anybody manufacturing equipment. So the equipment will be transitioning in 2025. Our Press AHR fitting line is already compliant with the new refrigerants. So no worries there, right? And we'll be helping the contractors transition by providing a easy, a low labor intensive joinery method. The important thing about our Press AHR fittings as well is that the new refrigerants have a little bit higher level of flammability. It's pretty modest, but obviously Press to Connect is a no flame solution. So you take that out of the equation entirely. The second trend that's being talked about quite a bit is the transition to electrification and products, equipment that run off electricity, which is renewable, as opposed to natural gas, which is not renewable. So this refrigeration space is very dynamic and changing very quickly.
So we're seeing the shift to electrification that's happening across the entire country and Canada. One of those changes also is the upcoming, the most recent change was A2L refrigerants. That's driving a lot of changes in the industry. So to address some of that, we're coming out with products that can match those systems, can match those requirements. We're so well known for our tankless water heaters, our wall hung boilers. We've really grown that market and seeing the change coming in terms of electrification and how we can address that. We're doing that with a new heat pump water heater that we're launching this year. We're also looking at expanding our HVAC offering. We launched our hydro furnace last year, and that incorporates some of the technology we have on our hot water. It uses hot water to heat the air, so it brings hydronics into the forced air side. So along with that, then we're launching our air-to-air heat pump, which will give us that dual fuel or straight electric solution that we need.
Well, we have some new compressors out, whether it's going to be R454B or R32 compressors for air conditioning. So the thing to know is our compressors are different. So we have an R32 compressor, and that's only, we can put R32 in that compressor. That's all it's rated for, the UL. And we have an R454B compressor that's only rated for R454B. So we had to make different things, changes inside of those compressors to make sure that we get the longevity of those compressors and they're compatible with the new refrigerants and oils. But we need these contractors to understand these changes that are coming along, and we can't just change and update the new systems with an existing system. We have to change everything, make sure it's A2L rated, and make sure that all the components are rated with that A2L.
Big thing in the market right now is understanding what we're doing refrigerant-wise. We know we got to transition from 410A product to an A2L refrigerant. I think some significant changes for us, but changes doesn't mean it's difficult. It just means it's different. Fujitsu, we're making our transition to R32, so we're already seeing the rollout of our R32 mini splits and multi splits to our distribution network. We'll be introducing our R32 single phase VRF unit in the next 30 to 60 days. This will be really nice. We'll have a 2, 3, or 4 ton unit in the mini VRF. Mini VRF is a large upcoming part of the market. The 2 ton, we're really excited to get this because there's a lot of multifamily projects around the country that this is a great fit. But understanding what you do with 32, how you leak detection sensors, whether it's a ductive unit or a ductless unit, and what the control strategy is to mitigate those potential leaks that you see in the suits.